What's up guys, thank you for watching JGTechBlog, and today I will be showing you guys how to unlock the new Samsung Galaxy A6 so you can use it with any carrier worldwide.
If this is your first time here and you want to know more about the latest promotions and phones at Metro, Cricket, and Boost, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell button to be the first notified.
So the first step is going to the dial pad, typing *#06#, and the IMEI number will automatically pop up. You will need this number for the next step. Alright guys, so the next step is going to the unlockingcompany.com. Here you will select the manufacturer of your phone. In this case it is Samsung. The model, it is Samsung Galaxy A6. Bam. Hit unlock now. Then you're going to select the country that you purchased your phone from and your carrier. Here we got it from Cricket. Let's go on to the next step. Here you will type in the IMEI number. Go ahead and type in the phone's IMEI number, your full name right here, and the email so they can send you your confirmation number. Hit order now. Go ahead and pay. I'll show you guys to the next step. Alright guys, so now that we got our confirmation email from the unlockingcompany.com, we're just going to go ahead and power off the phone by pressing and holding the power off button. Click power off and the phone is going to turn off. Alright, now that the phone is turned off, we're just going to go ahead and take off the SIM card. Okay. And replace it with another one. Here I got T-Mobile. I'm just going to put that in. Okay. After that step, we're just going to go ahead and turn on the phone. Alright guys, once you turn on your phone, you're going to be presented with this page. Go ahead and type in the PIN number that the unlockingcompany.com sent you. And right after, you're going to be presented with this page. Now your phone is unlocked and you can use it with any carrier worldwide. So some phones might require an app to unlock them. Don't worry about those. The unlocking company got you covered as well. Thank you guys so much for watching and see you guys in the next one.
Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification button to be notified when I upload more videos. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one.